are in listen-only mode.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGig webinar series, our endeavor to empower techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key to enhance our skills and grow us as professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight on various domains. The topic of today's session is securing mobile applications, and we have with us Mr. Chakri Devarakonda. He is a Senior Manager Global Delivery at Cigniti Technologies. Chakri has 13 years of experience in the field of security testing and security product testing. He was instrumental in establishing and growing large security testing practice. His areas of specialization are development of various security service offerings, mobile security testing, web application penetration testing, product security testing, and PCI DSS compliance and network security assessments. We also have with us today Mr. Sairam Vedam. He is the Assistant Vice President for Marketing at Cigniti Technologies. Sairam has more than 14 years of experience spanning both software products and services in a variety of roles from engineering to management. He drives marketing and branding strategies for the company's rapidly expanding solution services, IP-led marketing leading, game-changing testing services set across domains and technologies. He is also responsible to have positive results and influence on the entire brand, touchpoints, customer, prospects, investors, analysts, employees, prospective employees, and management teams. So without any further delay, let me quickly introduce you all to our first speaker today, Mr. Chakri Devarakonda. I would hand over the session to Chakri. Over to you.
Yeah, so very good afternoon, everyone. This is Sairam. Just a moment. On behalf of Cigniti, we take this opportunity to welcome you all to this webinar. Cigniti is world's third largest independent testing services company. We've been in the business since the last 15 years, serving global enterprises and independent software vendors across technologies and verticals. We set up test centers of excellence, offer high-end test process consulting, and do anything and everything around software test lifecycle. We believe in what we call the IP-led testing services, where some of our test engineering ideas have been resulting into patentable Cigniti smart tools, which complement the existing market tools and accelerate customers' test life cycles by offering unparalleled advantage and quickening the return on investments and QA initiatives. We also bring in a very holistic approach in terms of setting up comprehensive test infrastructure labs. We probably have probably India's first exclusive robotics test labs. We have co-branded enterprise mobility labs with HP, a cloud-enabled performance lab, and with 95,000 square foot of space, offices across Hyderabad, Dallas, and Toronto. We are also the world's first CMMI SPC 1.3 certified organization, and we take a lot of pride in kind of contributing to the test thought leadership through a series of initiatives that we work around. Last but not the least, as an organization, we are also committed to the society. We do compelling work around the corporate social responsibility with an initiative called Project Significance, aimed to impact 1 million+ lives through education as an enabler. That's a little bit background about Cigniti, and I have the pleasure of handing it over to Chakri, who heads our security testing practice, and I'm sure the next 15 minutes is going to be enthralling for all of us. Thank you so very much.
Thank you, Sairam. Thanks, everyone. Good afternoon, everybody. I'll take you through the tour of how do we have to secure mobile applications from a testing perspective and also from a development perspective in terms of how typically developers do develop secure mobile applications, and how, as a test engineer, we would need to look at it from the developer's angle. Though most of the work shown the slides in the next slides would be related to the development stuff, but however, I would also give you a quick overview of how, as a test engineer, a security test engineer, we need to look at it from the angle. So this is the agenda in terms of what we would go through in today's session. I'll skip the first two slides because we know they have stacked the speaker profile. I'll give you a brief overview of what would be the benefits of this particular session, and then also give you the importance, the paramount importance of why mobile applications need to be secure today with the start of the analyst speak. So that sets up the tone for this particular presentation, like why are we looking at mobile applications being secure, and why today in today's world it's actually a very important stuff. And then later I will look you through on the mobile architecture considerations in terms of how a typical mobile is set up and what are the architectural considerations you have to take into while looking to an app, in terms of from the developer point of view, how do you look at it and developing it, and from a testing point of view, how actually you have to test for it. What are the key entry points on it, and then we would quickly look through what are the different mobile threat agents in the architectural considerations, and also how they impact us today in the security world. Then we would go ahead with the OWASP top 10 mobile risks, which is actually more intended towards what the OWASP is talking about, and specifically in terms of it still is a risk. It's still not a vulnerability. It's not called as a vulnerability because OWASP is still under the process of actually putting out a project for the mobile area, and what are the significant risks of it, and how the OWASP generic web top 10 comes into picture. And in between, I would quickly go through also the iOS assessment, like in a typical iOS way, how the assessment has to be done from the security testing standpoint, what needs to be looked upon, the typical data flow, and what are the typical entry points. And then the final one would be what are the different phases of a mobile security testing, and it's more of a summarization slide for what we have actually looked at for this particular presentation.